Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can put music on Instagram Notes. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and update your Instagram application. As you can see, my Instagram is up to date. Then you simply need to click on open, and here is you can see you are in your Instagram. Click on messenger icon on the top right, and here you simply need to click on the plus icon on your note, and here you simply need to click on this music icon, and here is the music for you. You can browse as well, and if you want you can search music by typing the name of the music, and let me select a music from for you. Okay, and here you can scroll the part that you want to add and click on tick mark on the top right and click on share on the top right. So this is the process by which you can add music to your Instagram notes. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.